short sale and foreclosures. And we're going to talk about that a little bit here. Is a short sale a foreclosure? Short sales and foreclosures are similar in mortgage debt circumstances, but they are two different processes. A short sale is sometimes called a pre-foreclosure. Instead of being forced to foreclose and evict the home, homeowner can request a short sale, which prevents foreclosure. So there's some pros and cons of a short sale. So the benefits of a short sale is you can avoid foreclosure if it goes through. Now, I've done several of these throughout the years. I've actually, one of my first investment deals that it took me three books to read. I was able to, before short sales really got very relevant, and agents or you needed a short sale negotiator to be able to do the short sale. I did my first deal as a short sale in the early 2000s. And it helped that homeowner avoid foreclosure. It also leaves less impact on your credit score. After the sale, your loan will be settled. So you won't be placed as you owed money. You collaborated with the lender and reduced. And this is what a short sale. Short sale is not fast. It just means short sale means you sold your house short of what you owed. And so that will relieve you of that debt. So, and also with that, there's no sudden evictions. You have a say in the time frame of that sale that you're working on. Now, it's not guaranteed to have a say in that time frame, because if the short sale lender says yes, you get a buyer for your property, and they agree to it, that agreement will also have an expiration date. So time is of the essence when you get into a transaction. It's a pretty discreet process. You can buy a new home in the future. I think it's around 3 or 4 years after you do a short sale, you can buy a home. Disadvantages of short sale. There's potential tax consequences. Because you sold, I think there's a profit portion there that the bank actually writes off, and basically I believe that becomes a 1099 for the homeowner. I think that's where that come in, but I'm not a tax person, and so that would probably be a tax question for your accountant, especially if you're in a short sale situation right now. It can also take a long time. I've seen short sales from the time I've taken the listing to close and go upwards 18 months. Yeah. And requires lots of paperwork and responsibility. The thing that I believe in 2008 that helped the outside of scarcity, that helped the homeowners run away from getting help with doing short sale and just allowing themselves to go into foreclosure and mess their credit up is paperwork is about this as extensive as the paperwork it took you to buy your home. A lot of paperwork, a lot of proof of income, a lot of different other statements in regards to the reason that you're in the situation. There's no guarantee your lender will approve your short sale request. So that's a disadvantage. So how a short sale works. When you're too behind on your mortgage payment, a short sale might be the best option. Here are the steps you need to go through. So what happens is you send a short sale request to your lender. The lender isn't obligated to agree to the short sale, so you should request it only as a last resort when you can't make any more payments. Contact your lender's loss and mitigation department and ask questions. Now, get ready to sell. If your lender agrees to the process, create a short sale proposal. Make sure you get a real estate agent and any professional needed for the process, like tax expert or lawyers. List your short sale. Set the price. Remember, it won't be as high as the market value. Now, that's questionable today, which sometimes today folks have enough equity with these short sales might not even be the issue. It just depends on probably the condition of the property and what the appraisal value comes in at. If there's enough room there to pay everybody off and all of that stuff, might can avoid the short sale. Find a buyer. A lot of paperwork is required to give buyers the information they need to purchase short sale. This includes proof of hardship, bank statement, medical bills, etc. So all of those are the documents that are needed when you get a contract that comes in. They're down your lender is really going to be those are the paperwork that's going to be your responsibility to get in to show the reason why you need to sell this property at a short. Submit your proposal. Once your buyer gives an offer, you need to submit your proposal and the buyer's offer to your lender. It helps to have a real estate agent help you through the process. And like I say, I've been doing these for a good long time, way before I even became a licensed real estate agent. Options for selling through a short sale. You can't complete a short sale alone. Consider your options. Contact your current mortgage servicer and tell them you are interested in a short sale and want to know if you're eligible. Explain your financial hardship. Some homeowners face illness-related medical bills or lose their sources of income. Contact a real estate agent that specializes in short sale. They can work with your lender, buyer, and bank. Know whether or not you live in a non-recourse state, which is a state that cannot collect deficiencies after a short sale. So what that meaning is the I believe what happens is if let's say you purchased a house for 100,000, and so that's what's owed on the house is still 100,000 owed, and then you sell for 60,000. If you're in a deficiency state, the bank can come after you after the short sale for the balance that's left over. So in most cases, most of those, when you do short sales, you want to get a deficiency judgment waiver, meaning that the bank won't come after you for that balance. Although a short sale isn't ideal, it's a great way to save you from foreclosure. Home ownership is expensive, and many situations cause an unacceptable. No, I'm saying that wrong. Inescapable. Yeah, let's the real estate agent help you through your short sale process so you can save money and get back on your feet with the option to buy a home again in the future. And I help with those things. So if you need any help with your in dealing with a hardship, and let's look at your situation first, because your property might just need some sprucing up. There might be a situation there where we can come in and we can help you get the house together so that you can make more money on the property by us jumping in and lending a hand. So that's it for tonight, folks. I hope you got a little bit of information that could help you. One part of the information is what not to do, the 12 mistakes that you can make when you go to sell your home. And if you're a seller that's being forced to sell because of your income, etc., we want to help you avoid foreclosure. And so we have multiple ways to do that. If you need any help with any of those services, please reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to assist you and getting those things taken care of. But again, it's another Hump Day Wednesday, Kendall in the DMV, and I thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, please reach out to me, leave comments if you have any questions. I'm here for you. Signing off. Once again, have a blessed one.